Never believe when the girls or woman is crying,
Hmm.
and never believe when the men are smiling.
Okay.
Did you
What's the
get what
logic
is the
behind it?
mean?
No, no. Please explain.
Oh my god.
Please
You
explain.
can't
What?
understand. Like, never believe man smile. Okay?
Okay.
Or never believe the woman crying or like girls crying.
Do you think they are lying when women are watching a show?
I thought I was scrolling down my reels.
Ah.
I was waiting
Oh
for
my
you.
God. Were you doom scrolling? I'm sorry. I'm a minute late, I think. Yeah?
No, that's you are come
Apologies.
late. Right time.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Were
you
you
are
doom
looking.
scrolling or were you watching something?
Just Instagram is scrolling reels.
Okay. Just scrolling through Instagram.
Today
All
you are
right.
looking so
What
pretty,
have you been
man.
up to? Oh, thank you so much. That's really sweet of you to say. What have you been up to since our last session? What have you been doing?
Just I'm taking the sessions day by day, and a lot of things I improved. Well,
Mm-hmm.
uh, just recently I came back from my job, so this is time for my
Mm-hmm.
session. So I decide
Okay.
to take the session as well. That's all
Mm-hmm.
about me.
Lovely. Okay. So do you usually attend your sessions immediately after you get back from work?
I normally, today is my last day with English Yari because of today my plan will be
Oh,
expire. Only I have a two session.
oh,
The last session with
okay.
you, maybe you know everything.
Oh,
The this one and
right.
that after that one, what session will
Okay.
I have with you? So
Okay.
I decide to like complete all session. So
Mm-hmm.
I will renew my plan in March as well. I don't have any
Okay.
plan to renew my plan in a Feb. So
Mm-hmm.
I have other work as well, so I have to complete all, and then after I'll come back again with full confidence and other way.
Lovely. Lovely. Look forward to that. How has your journey been so far? If you were to sum it up in a few words, how would you do it?
It's great for me. Now it's going
It's been
great.
great.
Yeah, great.
It's going great.
All things going
Lovely. Very
according to me, whatever I want.
wonderful, right? It's lovely when life unfolds like that, when things go right according to plan. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you mentioned that you're going to be busy in Feb with work. Is there a big project coming up?
Uh, Not projects, but
Mm-hmm.
like with my work, I have to learn so many things, and
Mm-hmm.
actually I applied for my passport, so I have to spend money with that. So that is the reason.
Mm-hmm.
And March I will come back again.
Right. Perfect. You did mention it in the last class, I remember. Where was it that you wanted to go? Your friend's already abroad, right? You wanted to follow in his footsteps?
Oh, you remember that? Oh my God, you have such
Yes,
a
yes.
memory. Yeah, so
Thank
I
you.
applied
Good for
for that.
something at least.
Oh my God. So actually, there is something going on with my passport. I don't know what happened with that. So for
Mm-hmm.
that, I have to spend money. I have to give other person, the third person. So he will
Okay.
like do something for me. So
Mm-hmm.
that's the main reason. So that's the reason I don't want right now with English Yari. Next month I will
Yes, yes.
come back again.
Okay.
So
No, no, I was just curious about where you're planning to go, right? Which is the country? I've forgotten the name of the country. Was it
Singapore.
Singapore or was it someplace else?
Oh my
Okay.
God.
Okay. All
You
right. Just
have a
confirming.
lovely.
I'm just showing off how good of a memory I have.
Yeah, you have such a memory. You talk so
Yeah.
many students, co-learners as well. Still, you remember my
Mm-hmm.
face as well, and like what we have talked. Even though I forget what I talked, but because
That's okay.
I
That's
took
okay.
so many sessions with the different
I
teachers.
understand. I understand.
But
That's probably because I'm new, right? I'm new here, so every
so
story is a
even
new
though
story for
even
me.
though even though you are providing it classes with other student, na? So
Mm-hmm.
so that's the main reason you remember that things.
I tried to. And thank you. That helps. It's nice to hear somebody flatter you for a little bit. But moving on, moving on. I'm sure the passport issue will be sorted out soon, right? Fingers crossed, right? Um, couple of quick notes. As always, very quick, very prompt answers, right? I noticed that the last time as well. We had a conversation about it. What is something we need to focus on? You said that I returned from work just now and I decide to take the session. Yes. Now, was the decision made immediately after you returned from work, or was it something you decided long ago?
Long. Beside back.
Long ago?
I have already, yeah.
Yes. Right. So, which tense should be used here?
Past.
Yes. So, could you fix the sentence for me? I decide to take a session
yeah.
would become. Sorry.
Job. Become a job.
Once more from the beginning. What would the sentence be?
Okay. I decided to take a session.
Yes.
Becoming my job.
After coming back from work. Yes, after coming back from work. I decided, being the operative term here, because that's what will determine the tense, right? I decided to take a session after returning from work.
Returning from job.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Then with respect to prepositions, okay. So you were telling me about why in February you'll be taking a break, and then perhaps from March you will resume your sessions, right?
Yeah.
But the reason that you gave me is you said, I have to spend money in passport. Can you identify the issue here? What's the issue here?
Yeah, in.
Yeah. So what should it be?
I have to spend money with. No, with is not okay. For or with.
You think on would be better? On you usually spend money on things, right? On getting your passport issue fixed. I have to spend money on getting my passport issue fixed. Is something wrong? I need to hire a new guy, or I need to approach another person. Yeah, third person. So I'll have to spend some money on that.
On, okay.
Okay.
So in that case, I have to use on.
Yes, on. Absolutely right. Great job, right? Again, very quick to identify errors, spot them, fix them. Fabulous. Lovely. Okay. Now, how was your day at work? You mentioned that you returned just a little while ago. Yes. How was your day at work? What happened?
Casual day for me. Like I do every day, so all days for me casual.
Okay. Nothing out of the ordinary. Everything same as usual.
Sometime little bit special. Not special because sometimes we got such a guest, like those people are very politely or humble guest. So at that time we feel very okay, very like not very happy, like feel happy. Because as you know that I work in a hospitality industry, so sometimes we connect with the out of country guest, like foreigners. So foreigners are like very polite, they speak wow. And I sometimes I copy with that. So they knows very well, okay, I'm trying to copy with them. So they feel very happy. Like okay, so like hi, good morning. Good morning. Hi, I would like to any like how say I would like to anything else regarding a housekeeping, anything else like towels, water, and is there anything regarding amenities you would like to? Yeah, please, I would like to one comb, one you can provide me, towel as well, and one hand small towel, like that. So at the time I feel very happy. I'm proud of myself because at the time I was making a conversation with someone who belongs to out of country, so it feels me proud sometimes, but sometimes it's like very headache. Like some person has like they are just in a corner of the gate and they are like, "Hello, hi, housekeeping, come." So they are like those people are Indians, not foreigners people. So Indian people think about like we are just a labor work. I'm here. I'm a guest. I can do anything. They are not providing us such a humanity or like humanity or like they think like we are just labor work, and yeah. So that time we feel very shameless or like guilty. But if someone is providing someone is giving a respect, because everything is respect. because no matter
Abs-
is that whatever you are earning, if you are supposed that a manager or general manager position, and if your colleagues, your employees are not giving you respect, what does mean that everything is
Absolutely.
respect. If suppose
Yes.
that now you are here with me, if I'll speak like as a nonsense way or anything else, you would
Hmm.
not love to talk with me or any
Yes.
co-learners, because
Right.
everything is respect, and each and
Right.
every person want to respect, doesn't matter what the other person is doing. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the main reason.
Okay. All right. So today was a good day. People
Yes,
behaved. They were polite. They
just
were well
normally
mannered.
I can say.
Okay. No.
So
Okay.
sometime I
All right.
got such a nonsense people, not every day,
Not every
like
day. Sometimes.
sometime, like in a
Oh.
month usually we got one or two.
Okay. All right. That's not too bad, but ideally that should not happen at all. Right? Now you said something very interesting, which is what I want to get into deeper, right? And I want to understand because you keep hearing about such incidents. Firstly, like you said, people in the hospitality industry are probably some of the folks who work the hardest, right?
Hmm.
Because anytime we feel upset,
Hmm.
right, we can vent our frustrations, right?
Hmm.
But you are always taught service with a smile. Yes, even
Yeah.
if you feel bad, you have to keep smiling.
Yes,
Yeah. Yes, and it's not easy. It's certainly not easy. Yeah.
but
So,
other
but
hand,
yeah,
other
on the
hand,
other
the
hand,
managers and supervisor, they are just pulling, why are you doing such a things, and sometime,
oh,
and in
mm-hmm,
other hand the guests are doing, and third time you are just doing a smile and you are showing
mm-hmm,
everything is fine, but inside of
mm-hmm,
you know what is going on.
yes.
That's
Right.
so
So
that
that's
is
not
the
easy.
life of man. No, I can say
Yes.
not a man, everyone.
That is true. That is true. But I feel it's especially harder for those because I think recently, like in the news, right? I think I am more aware of this now because of the whole Indigo issue, right? Again, everybody came down heavily on the cabin crew. Their work is very similar to it's basically hospitality, right? You
Oh, I
serve with a
got it. I
smile.
got your news. Like Airline India.
Yes, 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 right.
They.
So even they have to deal with such things, such issues. So first, I want to understand how you're able to do it. But before that, there's something I'm curious about. Now, as somebody who gets to witness this so frequently, I want your insight. You said that what you have observed is the people who behave well, right? Who treat you with respect, with kindness, with empathy, right? Show you humanity and are just polite. They're just nice to you. They're always people from outside of India, right? People who come as visitors, as tourists to the country, know how to behave. But our own people, they're
Own
always the least. Yeah, they don't know how to behave. They're rude. They're entitled. But why do you think that's the case?
like I believe in that. Like Indian people don't have like they have a humanity, but they don't know
Mm-hmm.
how to show to others people. They have.
Mm-hmm.
If we will try to make understand, okay, you have to think about like that. So they can think, they can understand.
Mm-hmm.
But thing
Mm-hmm.
is that they don't know how to show to others people humanity. They can help to
Mm-hmm.
other as well. If you
Mm-hmm.
will ask any help to, they can provide, but they don't know how to do. Thing is that,
Mm-hmm.
and I am aware of that. Some news are about Air India. Like there are some flights are cancelled
Mm-hmm.
because of there we don't have a cabin crew. Some rules are
Mm-hmm.
government approved some rules regulation. I don't know proper exactly. Like
Mm-hmm.
like each cabinet can do shift around 8 hours or 9 hours something, and then after
Mm-hmm.
they have to take a rest. They can't do
Mm-hmm.
more and more.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you said that Indians have this within them, right? It's not that they're incapable of feeling empathy or incapable of understanding, but they don't know how to show it.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, why that is strange to me is because this is the land of Atithi Devo Bhava, right?
This is the land of
Yes,
Atiti Devo Bhava.
it is, right? That's what
Yeah,
you are doing.